Happy fall, everyone. We actually have some fall weather here in Florida today. I think it was like 61 degrees this morning, so it was awesome. I just wanted to get on here. I know it's been a long time since I've done a live video. I was a little nervous before getting on here, but I wanted to get on here and share something that I never thought I'd do again. And that was to join a direct sales company. I pretty much have been not working with any, sharing anything through direct sales for about 3 years now. And never really thought that I would do it again. And I kind of was really closed-minded at the beginning, but I still have always had a passion for holistic natural health. For the last 12 years since I started using essential oils, and everything that I've ever shared with people over the years is actually still something that at least someone in our family is using. So I was really excited when my sister started to share with me about a company that was starting out of Michigan, and it's called Saige. And they are a CBD company, and it's based out of Michigan, and the offices are in Howell, and the manufacturing facility is actually in Centerline. So I was really impressed with the people that are involved with the company. The founder, the co-founders, the CEO, all the people, just the way that the company got started and the people that are involved in the integrity behind everything was very impressive to me. And like I said, my natural health and holistic journey began about 12 years ago with essential oils. So I was even more excited to see that it was going to be products that are CBD products, and they're combined with terpenes from essential oils, which then makes them even more effective. So I'm going to share what was included in my kit that I got to get me started. And they have 4 different tinctures, and one is called Calm. And I finally just tried one of them. I was a little nervous about coming on here, so I actually just put a little of the Calm, which is for stress and worry, under my tongue about 5 minutes ago before I started. And I actually feel quite a bit more relaxed, but we'll see. So the terpenes that are in this one are lemons, lime, lavender, and lemongrass. What's really great is that it gives all the different information about the terpenes that are on there, what they do, and why they're effective. Everything, all the CBD is THC-free. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, organic, non-GMO. And then once their website is up and running, because it's a brand new company, it hasn't even fully launched yet, but you can actually scan the QR code and it will take you to the testing site to, you have access to the reports of it being tested for quality. So that's the first one. The second one is Relief, and this one is for aches and discomfort. And so the tinctures all can be taken orally under the tongue. And then this one has cedar, eucalyptus, ginseng, and ginger in it. And the third one is Relax. And this one is for body and mind rest, which is great to take before bed. This one has bay leaves, tea tree, sage, rosemary, cloves, and oregano. And then you actually get 2 of the focus ones in the kit. This one has pine, petite grain, cumin, and did I say pine or thyme? I don't even know. Pine and thyme. So you get 2 of those. And what's really great, and I can't wait to try this on our pup Lucky, but they actually have CBD for pets. And this one is it's called Companion. It's for calm and comfort. In the kit, you actually get the one for large dogs. So I'm sure you can adjust the dosing for smaller dogs. But they do have one for small, medium, and then large dogs. And I'm excited to try that because Lucky gets a little anxious when he's not around us. And then they also have, you get 2 of the Soothe Cream. So this is a topical for joint muscles and aches. And I can't wait to try this too because my feet get really sore when I do my walking and stuff. I have a hard time finding shoes that don't hurt my feet. And then they also have 3 serums. I've never been a big skincare person and taking care of my own skin and using like a regular regimen or anything like that. But I guess I'm kind of can't wait to try some of these out. So this one's called Amethyst, and this one is a retinal skin serum. So for wrinkles and stuff. And then they have a tourmaline one, which is vitamin C serum. So that's for like repair. And then they also have a hyaluronic acid one. And this one's called Aquamarine. So you just use like the little dropper and stuff or whatever. And then I also got, I'm not sure if this is going to be a regular product or not, but they did send a hand sanitizer in the kit with organic aloe vera and peppermint essential oil. And then you get a couple other things in the kit. Of course, when the company officially launches, the products would be available for people to try. But I also got like this journal, Celebration of Life journal, and it has just the different inspirational quotes every day and just different ideas of how to make your day better. Write what your ideal day would be like. List all the badass things about you. So it's all like positive, and just a little bag to store your stuff in, and then a healthy start guide. And then there's, I should open these up, but there's these little guides to CBD, so information on CBD. And then I also got a big bag. So I have a couple other family members who will be already going to be joining us on this journey. So looking forward to that too. And if anybody has any questions about the CBD or what it can be used for or what exactly is in the products or anything like that, or pricing, things like that, just send me a message or you can comment here. And look forward to hearing from everybody. Have a good day. Enjoy the good weather.